Before visiting the dealership, it's crucial to do your homework. Start by determining the type of car you want based on your needs, such as a sedan, SUV, or truck. Consider your budget and what features are important to you, including fuel efficiency. Research different makes and models, read reviews, and compare prices to find the best options. Next, set a budget and decide how you plan to finance the purchase. Will you pay in cash, finance through the dealership, or secure a loan from a bank or credit union? If financing, get pre-approved for a loan. This can give you a clearer idea of your budget and strengthen your negotiating position at the dealership. Also, don't forget to check for any current manufacturer incentives, rebates, or special offers that might apply to the car you're interested in. Lastly, if you have a vehicle to trade in, research its market value through resources like Kelley Blue Book or NADA guides. Knowing its worth will help you negotiate a fair trade-in value. Once you arrive at the dealership, it's time to test drive the car or cars you're interested in. Pay close attention to how each car feels in terms of comfort, performance, handling, and the features it offers. This is also your opportunity to ask the salesperson any questions you might have about the vehicle. After the test drive, if you decide on a car, discuss the pricing with the salesperson and be ready to negotiate. Your research and pre-approval can give you the leverage you need to negotiate a better deal. Don't hesitate to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. If you're financing through the dealership, review all financing options and understand the terms, including the interest rate, loan term, and any additional fees. Before signing the sales contract, make sure to read it carefully to ensure that all terms discussed are included and there are no hidden charges. Once satisfied, sign the contract, make any required payments, and complete the necessary paperwork. Before driving off, ensure you have arranged for insurance, as most dealerships require proof of insurance. Finally, inspect the car thoroughly to ensure it matches your expectations and that you receive all keys, manuals, and necessary documents. After the purchase, the process isn't quite over. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact your salesperson or the dealership's customer service. It's important to follow up promptly. Also, remember to schedule regular maintenance according to the manufacturer's recommendations to keep your new car in optimal condition. And finally, enjoy your new car and drive safely. By following these steps, you can navigate the car buying process at a dealership confidently and ensure you get the right vehicle at the right price for your needs.